another with Z to E. This is in SI units. This formula is applicable for SI unit. Now, we will define here Z1E. We consider as the charge, say on positive ion, and similarly Z2E on the negative ion. And the above expression is the potential between the two positive and negative ion. And these are separated by a distance r. Now, if there are a lot of charges, for example, the combination of positive charge, then negative, then positive, then negative, again positive. If there are combination of this type of charge in alternate form, and we need to calculate the potential on any of the reference charge. Consider this one as a reference charge, reference ion. So what will be the electric potential on this reference ion due to all the neighbor ions? Obviously, we will calculate the electric potential between the nearest neighbor. Consider this distance as R0. Again, the electric potential between another nearest neighbor. This may be 2R0. Similarly, all the other neighbors also. Another one is at 3R0. So if we calculate all this potential and take the sum, that will give the total electric potential on the reference ion due to all the neighbors. So we can write the combined or now total electric potential acting on any reference ion due to all neighboring ions can be written as V is equal to minus alpha E square by 4 pi epsilon naught R, where alpha is considered as the uh, as a dimensionless constant called Madelung constant. To know more about the Madelung constant, let us consider Let us consider. We consider a one-dimensional chain of ions that is seen in the above figure, and let us take one positive ion as the reference ion as shown in figure. Now first calculate the electric potential due to the first neighbor on the reference ion. Here V1 at distance R0 can be taken as the charge on the positive ion is E and the charge on the negative ion is also considered E. So total charge Q1 Q2 will be E square, and 4 pi epsilon naught, the distance between the two charges are naught. The potential is always taken over here. One is positive charge, another is negative charge. So plus E into minus E will be equal to minus E square. But this potential is due to the negative ion on the left as well as on the right. So we will include a number here 2. Now again, the potential due to charge at distance 2r0. This one and this one. So V2 at 2r0 is equal to so in case of 2r0, there is a interaction between positive and positive ion. So this will be E square plus E into plus E square, and you divide 4 pi epsilon naught, and distance is 2r0. And since the interaction is on both sides, we take here 2. Okay, similarly, at distance 3a, that means from here to here, this one is 3r0 on both sides. Similarly, V3 at 3r0 is equal to at 3r0, one of the charge is positive, another is negative. So minus E square, and since on both sides 2 by 4 pi epsilon naught 3r0. And so on. At 4r0, 5r0. So we have calculated the potential due to first neighbor, second neighbor, third neighbor, and so on. Now the total potential energy acting at reference ion is the sum of all the potential, because potential energy is I guess scalar quantity, so that can be added serially. B1 was minus 2e square by 4 pi epsilon naught r naught. B2 was 2e square by 4 pi epsilon naught r naught square. B3 minus 2e square by, sorry, not r naught square, 2 r naught. And B3 was 4 pi epsilon naught 3 r naught plus dash dash dash. So this can be written as minus e square by 4 pi epsilon naught r naught. This is the common quantity. And first term 2, second term 2 by 2, third term 2 by 3, and dash 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 dash. So this becomes minus e square by 4 pi epsilon naught r naught 2 times 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus dash dash. Minus e square by 4 pi epsilon naught r naught 2. And now this is a series, sum of a series, and this value is L and log 2. This is from the mathematical term log 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cubed by 3 minus dash dash. So here x is equal to 1. Therefore, finally we get b is equal to minus alpha e square by 4 pi epsilon naught r naught, where alpha is obtained as, where alpha is equal to 2 ln 2, 2 natural log 2, whose value is 1.38. This is Madelung constant. Now what is the meaning of Madelung constant? Madelung constant is playing the role of the effect of all the neighbor atoms. So it gives attractive effect to the reference ion due to all neighboring ions.